Ever wanted to see your Roblox avatar really come alive, mirroring your own smiles, frowns, and blinks? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of Roblox face tracking, and I'll guide you through the simple steps to make your avatar truly reflect you. First, you need to be in Roblox Studio, where you can develop and create your avatar. Inside Roblox Studio, click on the Avatar tab, then look for the Face section. It's usually right there ready for you to start. Inside this selection, you will see a variety of different expressions and controls. If you've got the right hardware setup, you will see the ability to select face capture. This is usually just a toggle on-off switch. Click on the switch to make face capture enabled. It's crucial that you have a webcam connected and working on your computer. Without the webcam, face tracking won't happen. Ensure your webcam has clear visibility of your face. If your camera is not set up properly or is in a bad position, this can impact the accuracy of these features. Check your camera angle and lighting to optimize the results. Now for the fun part. Go into a Roblox game that supports face tracking. If it's enabled correctly, your avatar's expressions will start mirroring yours in real time. Smile, wink, or raise your eyebrows, and watch your avatar come to life. And that's it. With these steps, you're now ready to enjoy a more personalized and interactive Roblox experience. Get ready to express yourself and have fun.